just got home from this pick. It's an L23 or L. Oh. Alright, let's try that again. My camera gimbal just messed up. It's an L2580 with a BF 550 loader on it. Really nice little tractor. Started up after sitting for 10 years. And all I did, yeah, old Kubota logo. All I did was I put a brand new starter on it. And then I just jumped it because I know the battery's dead. Because I think it says December of 16 was when the battery was put in. Or 06, maybe? I don't know. There's not a whole lot of information on this aside from we got it off of that same auction site that I've won quite a few other projects off of. It's got car front tires, but nice turf tires with nice wheels on it. So these are like, you can still kind of see the little pieces from the new tire whenever you put it on. Titan is who makes those tires. Let's get up here. It has 28,874 hours on it. It is a four-wheel drive tractor. So it's got two-wheel drive, and then you can shift it to engage four-wheel drive. The battery, yeah, it looks really good. I'm happy with it. I've just got to get a few things squared away with it before anything. So I think I'm going to set you guys up, and you'll be able to watch me as we unload this thing, because it's going to be a little bit interesting. My poor little truck. My poor little truck is probably a little bit too much tongue weight on it. But it drove fine, did fine going home. So I'm happy with it. So, alright, let's get into this project a little bit. Alright. No, I want you to... You put the key in the ignition. Position. First brake is still set. Put it down. Did not put it in. Roll. Alrighty, we're gonna drink some oil here, because both of these, ouch, this engine has not had oil drained in ages, and it's due. Freaking long drain plug. So So I think this takes like 8 quarts of oil. So I'm only gonna like drain one side of this thing at a time, just so that way I don't have a huge spill. I do have a second oil container ready to swap in at any time. Whew. It's a hard work. Man, it's a bummer. We're missing one piece on this tractor that's pretty dang important, and it's the propeller shaft. So the drive shaft that makes it a four-wheel drive unit is missing. So that's not exactly a good thing, but it'll be alright. We'll figure it out. I think I might have someone who knows where one is that we can source. But until that time, this is only a two-wheel drive tractor. It does have the PTO for the lower mower deck, which is cool. We just don't have one of those for this thing. Yeah, and right now we're just draining oil. Looks like they took this off and just put it back. What a bummer. Oh, because that would have been amazing, man. It's still pretty awesome because, I mean, we're in this for just over $3,000 for a running, driving with front loader tractor. So, yeah, it's pretty sweet. I wonder if I cracked the other one. Oop. There's the other one. Alright, you guys don't need to watch this. Well guys, I didn't do a whole lot to it. I changed the oil, I changed the fuel filter, what else did I do? Really didn't do anything to it. Put a new starter on it. This wiring, I don't know if you can see right there, is bare. Had to put a little jumper there to help out. And now, I don't know what that ticking is. That's like a valve maybe or something. Not super happy. But it sounds really good at higher RPM. And when you get to this level, it's perfect. Like 100 RPM, if that. Yeah, this thing is sweet. I mean, we stuck, pardon 1 second. We stuck, let's see, 60 bucks in oil, 20 bucks in oil filter and fuel filter. 75 bucks on a used blemished battery. What else did we do? 100 bucks for me to go get it and back with my truck and trailer, paying me essentially, plus $2,700 for the actual tractor, plus 89 bucks for the starter. I mean, what is that? $3,100, something like that. That's a good deal for a nice little tractor with a loader. Decent, good back tires on it. Fronts are kind of crappy, but whatever. Yeah, it works. We're going to try to source the front drive shaft because that's the only thing missing on this thing. Is the front drive shaft. And I don't know why they removed it, but they removed it. My thought was because the way that it drives, on a ball field, you don't want it to tear up the grass or ground, so two-wheel drive is best. So they just took it out. And I'm waiting on a call back to see if this guy has parts for me. If he does, then we'll order them and get them coming and we'll install it and we'll have a four-wheel drive tractor again. But, I mean, it's a good tractor. I'm happy with it, especially for what we paid for it. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If we do actually replace that drive shaft, I'll bring you back for it. But for right now, that's the end of this video with this tractor until the future comes up with some more parts or other things come along. So thank you guys for joining me. Enjoy the day, and if you don't mind, like, comment, subscribe on this video. I didn't do much. I didn't show much aside from just changing the oil, and really that's all I showed. So hope you guys enjoyed it. This thing was brought back from the dead, sitting for 10 years. 10 plus years, they think. The battery that I took out of it said from 06. So it's been quite a while since it's been running. So I'm happy with it. Came out good. We'll see if we can make some money off of it. So adios, amigos.